Hey, what's up guys, ITD here. So our topic for today is how we can change the cursor like this. Right, like that. Just an example of. So here I'll show you where we can download up to how many cursor, and we can choose from. Right, I'll choose spinning Mario right here. I'll just download it. Okay, there. It's a zip file, but it's okay. Let's show in folder. Double click. Yeah, there. I just have to select all and drag it here to our desktop. There. Okay, so let's start. Go to Windows, Control Panel, and find, where is that? There. Find the mouse, click pointers. So here we can choose whatever we want. Click browse, go to desktop where I put it. So let's choose any of this cursor. Okay, I'll try this. There, open, click apply, and then okay. There, see? And that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.